Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build and run PHP MySQL based application in Docker. So let's start. So as we are deploying this application in Docker containers, so we need to make sure that these containers can communicate with each other. So that's why we need to create a network at first. So I'm going to create a network here. Docker network create chatbot. So the network name will be chatbot. And yes, we can check it by Docker network ls. And you can see here the network is ready. So after this, you need to clone this repo. I will give this tutorial link in this video description so that you can just copy the link here and then clone this GitHub repo. And also you can use these Docker commands easily. So you need to clone this repo and you need to open it in your IDE, and after that you will see the files here. And at first you need to change this config.php because in default the config.php contains the host name as localhost and there is no password. So we need to change this host because we are going to use MySQL container and we will give the container name here. So the container name will be db and we will give the container name here as well, and also the password. So at first you need to make sure that you are changing this and you are saving this, and after that you need to build this image. Docker build st chatbot image, and yeah, the image is ready. And you can see the image building is fast because I have already this image and it's using the cache. So the next step will be running the image. So you can just copy this command, the docker run command, and we are actually mapping port from 80 to 5400, so that the default port is 80 and we are going to map it to 5400 so we can access this application in 5400 port. And the name of the container is chatbot app, and you can see we have attached the Docker network here that we created earlier, that is chatbot network. And you need to finally give the image name, that is chatbot image. And yes, it's running. So the next step will be you need to pull the MySQL latest image. So you can just copy it and yes, it is here, and I have already pulled the latest image, so it's not actually taking too much time. And finally you need to run this MySQL image as Docker container, and the name of the Docker container is the db, and you can see here port is 3306, and we have attached the network here also, that is chatbot. And we are using environment variable, that is MySQL root password and MySQL database name, so that you don't need to create the database, it will be created automatically. And after that you need to just uh, import the SQL. So we'll see it. At first we need to run this. Yeah, it's running now, and after that we need to actually exec it. Docker execute -id db bash, and we need to log in here. We need to log in MySQL. So So the password is one test two, and we are using chat. So you can see the database changes, and if we type show tables, there is no tables, so we need to actually import the table. So here you can find the SQL in database folder. You need to just copy and paste. Yeah, so the data is here now. Right now you need to insert the data. So you can see 27 rows affected. That's when it has inserted data. Finally, you just need to add the primary key. Yeah, we are done, and we are existing here, exiting from here, and let's check our application. So localhost 5400, and you can see here we can actually accessing this application. This is a simple chat window, and if you type hi, you can say, yeah, hello, how can I help you? And if we need any admission info, with the admission, and you can see here that it's giving us how to apply. Just click here, you can see there is a link, undergrad examination, postgrad admission, admission schedule, international admission, quota, etc. And you can actually get the information of this university here. So this is simple MySQL, PHP MySQL application, and yeah, we are actually using it in Docker. So both PHP and MySQL is in separate container. You can check here, right? This one is the DB container, and this one is the chatbot. So both are separate, and we are communicating with the Docker network that we have created. So this is the process of deploying your PHP MySQL application in Docker. So this is end of the video, and we are done for today. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And also I have a blog, you can also subscribe here. You can enter your mail and subscribe so that you will get the tutorials earliest. So thanks for watching this video, and see you soon in the next video. Bye for now, take care.